and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is an electric spin scrubber. I absolutely love these. I've reviewed these multiple times on my channel before, and I like to gift them to friends as well. So I did get another one because I gave mine away because one of my friends was asking for one. So I love these things and I need another one. So let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in here. So you have your little user manual, and this will tell you all the different brushes and stuff that comes in here. Okay, so to start out, you're going to start out by putting this in here. After that, you can see this does adjust. You just tighten it like so. And then you're going to put this part on here. You're going to screw that. So you can adjust it how long or short you need it, depending on your height and everything. It does come with this if you do want to mount it on the wall. This thing will just go over this part right here, and then you would just stick this under the wall. It's like a sticker, so it is like renter friendly, and then you would just slide this on and then be able to take this on and off. I will have to charge this up before using it. So this is the charger that it comes with, and you are going to charge it. It says inputs right here. So you charge it right there. Once you're done, do make sure that you seal this well because you don't want to get water up in there. And then your power button's right here. This one is a sharp brush, which is great for getting like the corners inside your shower. It's amazing for that. It also comes with this one, which is a small brush. So it's kind of like this one right here, which is your big brush, just smaller. That's why it's the small brush. This is called a fiber brush. This one is called a imitation wool brush. This one is a sponge brush. And then this one is a cloth brush. This is just a brush head holder. So I will be using this one today, and then probably that corner one. So you just push it on like that. You can see, you just push it on and off like so. It's right on. And then your power button's gonna be right here. So you can see. So that's at 100% high, or you have low. And to turn it off, you're just gonna hold it down. So super easy, high and low, and all it does is spin. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like in use. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by scrubbing this. I did get some rust on here. I'm gonna turn it off, and now I'm going to switch heads to do the floor. Okay, so my shower is huge, so I was able to scrub all this and the floor, and I still got 60% battery life. So pretty good, not too bad. And I had it on high speed, which is going to suck more energy off. So definitely works really well, as you can see. Now I just got to rinse it off, and then I will be done. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.